Hi friends, this is Venkat Swami. Once again, welcome to my channel Open Interest Analysis. Today, actually, I am getting most of the requests to how to request on making a video that's OI analysis tool for all the stocks um, on explaining how to use it. So okay, today I am going to explain how to use that tool. And okay, now this is OA tool for all F&O stocks. Here we need to select the stock. Here I have included all the F&O stocks which are traded in NSE India. So if we select Bank India, we have options for weekly expiry, like it is 14th May now, recent expiry, and then after 21st May, 28th May. So if you want weekly expiry, choose this one. And if you choose any stocks, you have to select monthly expiry, then click on get data. So it will download the data from NSE India, and after analyzing, showing results here. So it's taking time to getting data from NSE India, because after now it is 16:43, means market is closed. So maybe site was little bit busy. They are uploading data to NSE India, so that's why it's taking some time. So anyway, it will take the data and analyze. It will just takes 10 to 15 seconds. Yeah, almost it's finished, updated. Now here it is a chart, means candle of particular stock which we have selected. Now here we have selected Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, here it is. Okay, then we will start from here. Max OI of call and put. Here it will show how much is the open interest of particular stocks of call or put at maximum open interest for put and maximum open interest for call, and which strike price it has. Here it is showing. So for Bank Nifty, it has 20,000 of call has maximum open interest, and 18,000 of put has maximum open interest. And here I showed included second max open interest, means after that which strike has most of the open interest. Now here I showed 18,500 strikes has put maximum open interest, and 21,000 strike price of call has maximum open interest. And for intraday, it is showing maximum max add OI, means which strike price has added open interest for call side or put side, and which here it is max shred open interest, means reduced closed open interest for a particular stock or call for a put or call. And here I have showed put call ratio of open interest and put call ratio for volume. Then have here included open is equal to high or open is equal to low strategy. Now we have three futures here: current month, next month, for month, and spot, of course. And here I have showed if it is open is equal to high, or if it is open is equal to low, it will show particular. If it is open is equal to high, it will show open is equal to high, and if it we find open is equal to low, it will show open is equal to low. If there is nothing, it will show no. Okay, then here I have included projected bottom and projected top according to volatility and open interest data. It will calculate and it will show you projected bottom and projected top. And particular trends, option price trend, it is down of course, and option open interest trend, it is up. And change in open interest and volume, we have analyzed together of change open interest and volume. The trend find it is down. And intraday trend of particular stock according to implied volatility IV, that is, it will here, it will show four type of trends. Means if it is bear, it is bear, but if it is weak or strong bear and weak bear. And if it is bull side, it will show you weak bull or strong bull. And here it is maximum pain for particular stock. Now here it is bank nifty, near it is 19,400, and positional trend bearish. Here I have showed some levels according to maximum open interest and maximum highest second open interest. 18,000, 18,500, 21,000, 20,000 strike prices, which has highest open interest on call side and put side. We will find call side, it is support and resistance like that. And here we are showed between the strike support and resistance. Here we have yeah, okay, support and resistance of 18,000 and 20,000. 18,000, it is of course support, put side, call side 20,000, it is resistance. So stock is particular stock, means bank nifty is trading between 18,000 and 20,000. Means currently spot price is 18,950, so which is between support and resistance. That's why it is showing between support and resistance. Sometimes it will below the support and above the resistance. We have a lot of strategies regarding that one. If stock is trading above the resistance, and we have to then tomorrow it is easy for to take trade after checking maximum add open interest. If it is trading below support also, of course we have a lot of strategies for next trade. That's why I have included that also. And here I have shown some small strategy which will show you after change the trend according to intraday. Then here I have auto refresh button. Means in intraday no need to click every after 5 minutes, just changes to fry and then click on auto refresh on. It will after every 5 minutes it will go to NSE India and download the data, analyze, and it will show you here analysis. If you don't want to auto refresh, just click on auto refresh off and you will change the stock or change the expiry, then you will get data by manually. See, if I choose stock Axis Bank, so I have to choose monthly expiry, that is 28th May. Then click data. So after every updated, it will show you updated time as on May 11th 2020. Now market is closed, that's why it's showing 13:30. So during market hour also it will show you which time it has taken data from NSE. In the same way, I have included some analysis for every strike price of call side and put side. See, here it is particular strike, LTP, price change, how much it is changed, and intraday volatility, implied volatility, sorry, change in open interest, volume, and what is the trend according to open interest, and final trend, what it is going on. Short build up means particular strike there. Um, Traders are interested in short side, and data here I am showing in charts way. Open interest for put open interest and call open interest, and volume in the same way, change in open interest, price change, and maximum pain chart also. Yeah, this is just you want to change any stock name, then click get data. Yeah, this is the performance of OIA tool for all these F&O stocks. If you have still any doubts and if you want to get the sheet, please consult me on WhatsApp number which is mentioned below on description. Thank you very much.